just done a quick film of me mate, because as you know he's been letting me stroke him, but I've been stroking him tonight, and now look at this weird noise he's doing when I come near him. Look, he can't get enough of me now. And if I try and stroke him, he just wants to get on me, look. He just wants to get on me all the time. And even if I try putting him on his cage, look. No, I don't want to go. Oh, he goes on his cage now, I say that, but... Get over it, do you want a stroke? Do you want a stroke? Oh, don't bite me, you cheeky boy. Look. I think we're friends now. Anyway, I'm going to go and play with him for a bit. Come on, good boy. Yeah.